Last. Now everybody go to breakfast.
Early morning flight.
Position. Please walk in to the clear tables. Also, please turn off.
So we are in Curaçao. I have entered. So I finally made it to my room. Here you got, standard room at the Brion City Hotel. There it is. It's a small room, but it's nice. It's clean. It's cozy. This is the bathroom. Hey, sister. Hey guys, so we're in Curaçao. Yes, made it. It's been a long travel day. To be honest, I went to bed yesterday because my flight was at 6 this morning and I wanted to reach the airport by 4. So I knew I had to leave out by 3:30. And so I had to be up and I didn't want to go to sleep and chance stayed asleep because it was a long day yesterday. I was on the road from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. and yes, I just didn't bother to go to sleep. Made it on my flight, made it to Miami by 7:30 this morning. Went through customs and immigration by 8 o'clock this morning. And then I had to wait on my flight because my flight was at 12. And then after we got on the flight, they told us they had to change a tire. So we had to get off the flight, wait an hour. So we left like 1:30 and we finally made it to Curaçao at like 5:30. And then between going through immigration is like 6:30. Then to get a taxi was another like an hour, so 7:30. And then I reached the hotel because the hotel is like 30 minutes away, so that's 8 o'clock. But I think it's like later. I think it's like 9 something because I wasn't the only one who took the taxi, so I had to drop off at other hotels. But God, it's been an exhausting travel day. Exhausting. I am tired, so I'm going to clean up and get ready for bed. I'll give you guys a quick room tour and then like just quick, and then maybe in the morning I'll give you a better room tour. But yeah, that's it for now. This is the view outside. It's right smack dab in the city. I happen to also be Curaçao's Carnival Weekend, so I was told the parade is supposed to pass by me. It is Saturday, March 1st, my first full day in Curaçao. So it's time to go get some breakfast. Breakfast is 7 to 10 in the mornings. So let's go. So we got the restaurant right outside. Yeah, the cabana.
I did what I got when them kills over. I did try to buy moto, or Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for like Ibona. Now so much you make with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you.
This bridge connects Williamsted to Otrabanda, so people cross it to go across and explore both sides. So I'm gonna do that today. So I'm ready for the day. The only thing I would say is that they don't have a full length mirror, so you guys can't see the full fit. See me here in the elevator. Elevator. So yeah, this is the full fit. Left the hotel. I made it. So yeah, the flag.
No rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. But do you cool? I'm happy that. What do you cool? Say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I thought where you talk, I know you want. Me I know there's another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now my
Curaçao sun. I made it to the sign, and then you have like shops. So I'm just exploring. Has a badonka down. Look at it. Huge. Sushi sign. Like a park with structures. Random iguanas? Lizards? Okay. I'm going souvenir shopping. Why am I here with these stunts? The beauty supply store, and look at these colors. These colors are magnifique. What is this? Yes. I wish Jamaica had a little bit more color. You guys will try this. Like Victoria's Secret, Guess, a lot of the brands. Pandora. The bridge is moving. Why? It's a functioning bridge. So it's moving because there's a boat coming. Facility. And before the bridge moves, it usually rings a bell. But a few minutes we'll be back. It's like some kind of modified wee boat kind of thing. cross again. All of us waiting on the other side. There they have. And the gate's closed as well, so you can't cross, but it's open again. It's like 6:41, and they're an hour ahead of Jamaica, so it's like 5:41. Right next to me, KFC, Pizza Hut, Digicel, Subway. And came when I left, so now my room is good as new. My accoutrements all about the place otherwise, but they made the bed and I'm sure they probably emptied the bathroom bin. I'm a bit hungry, so I'm going to go changing back in the room and I'm going to go get some dinner, but I'm going to change my clothes because it's a bit too windy and my dress just keeps blowing everywhere. That's not cute. So, well, it's a skirt and a top, but I brought the skirt up high because I'm short. But yeah, it keeps blowing because it's very flowy and it's just like so annoying to keep trying to keep it down. So I'm gonna change into a nice, you know, something for dinner anyway, and just head to dinner. I would have worn this to dinner, but it's way too windy and my skirt keeps blowing, so, and it's like too much work. So I'm gonna change into some dinner clothes and get some food. The nighttime outfit. Yeah, today's outfit. So nightlife. We have little playing areas for kids. Bridge lights up in the night. Something going on over there. Have the deck, bare deck, and then the restaurant. Close the brewery. I'm on the inside, but everybody's on the outside. This is the outside. I got a Waka Waka bear. The Waka Waka. So it's food time. So it's time for food. I got a pulled pork burger. I got my forks, knives, my Lego. I got the Waka Waka. I don't like food, but it's spicy. Hotel like casino. Park is like always open. It's like a Baskin Robin right next to my hotel. I'm back home. It's been a day. I'm gonna get changed for bed. Thank you guys for watching so far. See you in the next. Well, see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is the road march, their road march. So my hair said the place shut down. I'm still gonna try to see if maybe I can get to the beach and then come back for the road march. Alright, later. I'm here already. But you know what I realized? I'm one of the only people who got a room with a balcony. The rest rooms don't have balcony. There are only like 4. But I got one. Who God bless. No man can curve. This is my second day breakfast. Carnival morning. Good morning, guys. So it is the next day. Today is Sunday, Carnival morning. So people are out, they're getting ready. So lots of people from a hotel in their carnival gear, looking all cute and pretty. I had breakfast already because, you know, I woke up. Well, I woke up, but I got up late. Like, I woke up in time, but I got up late, so I didn't want to miss breakfast. So I went. So yeah, that's what we're doing now. Just chilling. I said I'm gonna try and maybe walk to the beach. The beach that is close to me. And then, yeah, that's it. So I'm heading out now to fix up vlogs. So yeah, guys, I'm heading out now. Today's outfit. Very island things. So I just explained my side of the bridge today for a little bit. So we're at the resort, which they've turned into a mall. So let's see what's in there. So we have like restaurants here. A lot of places are closed. 1, because it's Sunday, and 2, it's Carnival Sunday. So experience. Yeah. We're ready to the ice cream shop. Morning. So this is praline pecan. This is outside. Different stores, Nautica. Stuff. And you have remnants of the fort. Y'all should know I love a fort by now. I have Swarovski right there. Get your crystals. I guess I'll zoom in, but I'm eating it. Of course. And you have guests and other stores. Not fun. Random bar. So I'm heading up the fort. So So this is a view from the bar. So go this way and exit the fort. Look from up here and see. Found it. So it's a small little strip. So it's a small strip of beach. There's some construction going on behind the beach. So let it fool you. It's still operational. We made it to the beach.
No rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know, without so my back. But
I'm in the water.
everything I do is for my woman.
Like they're building like a hotel
Anything I do where you talk, I
right
go
beside the
do.
beach.
Me, I know this, me, I know that girl
So
from
that's
my
the construction that's going on. This is what's behind the rock. So there's a rock border. So we help create the waves behind it.
Everything I do is for my woman. Anything I do where you talk, I go do. Me, I know this, me, I know that girl from my picture. Loving you, know my ritual.
The boardwalk, we'll be having some fun. Bend over and touch toes. Back on set like you said. Back. 6:30 on the back. You see the waves. Bend over and touch toes. Back. 6:30 on the back.
When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me?
So it's a beautiful day in Curaçao and I'm just at the beach. I'm going to try and head back over shortly because I want to see if I can catch the parade. Got to do it, but to do it. What's love? It's about us, it's about trust. And put it on me.
Because you're the only one to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us?
Based on the setup, it's almost time. People have started to come out with their coolers. KFC food. I made it back to my hotel. So I'm gonna change. It still don't start yet, but the crowd is getting big. There are lines to go into the convenience store, KFC, like everywhere. Some KFC for lunch, so I'm gonna have that and dry off, wash off. Yeah. So here's what I got from KFC. I got a zinger, spicy zinger, their version. I got churros. I got some fries. And I got a drink. Personally, I love a churros. Such a great little snack. Love churros. So I'm having the zinger. It's okay. I think it's pretty standard, zinger. Pretty decent.
Is that the king and queen?
I think so. but I have an activity today, so I'm gonna check out, do my activity, and then move on to the next location. Catch me outside. Like, I got up early, had breakfast, cleaned up, checked to make sure I don't have anything left in the room, and now I'm heading out. So see you guys in the next clip.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo.